If you want to block friends on Epic Games, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Whether someone is spamming invites, bothering you in chat, or you simply want more control over who can interact with you, blocking a friend on Epic Games is simple once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming guides just like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. You'll want to make sure you're signed into the correct account before you begin, especially if you use more than one Epic account. Once the launcher is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see the friends icon, which looks like two people standing together. Click that icon to open your friends list. After your friends list appears, scroll through and find the friend you want to block. When you see their name, click on it to open their profile or interaction options. Depending on the version of the launcher, the menu may appear slightly different, but the process is still the same. You're looking for the option that lets you manage that person's status. Next, choose the block option from the menu that shows up. Confirm the action if Epic Games asks you to. Blocking someone will stop them from interacting with you the normal way, which can help keep your friends' list cleaner and your gaming experience a lot more peaceful. Once the block is applied, you're done. It's also a good idea to double check that the person has been blocked successfully. If you ever change your mind later, you can return to the same area and manage your blocked users or privacy settings from your Epic account. That way, you stay in control of your social experience on the platform. So to recap, open the Epic Games launcher, click the friends icon in the top right, select the friend you want to block, and then choose the block option. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.